If you are a student or work 9 to 5, this video is for you. Want extra money? Our last side hustle could be a game changer. Consider photo scanning and restoration. Digitize, repair, preserve memories. Digitization and OCR for small offices streamline operations. Convert documents to digital files. Fine-tuning AI models for businesses provide solutions. Customize AI to meet needs. Dataset creation and cleaning is crucial for AI. Build datasets for training. RAG for knowledge bases revolutionizes access. Implement advanced search capabilities. Tech side hustles boost income and skills. Explore with Cipher-Cash. Looking for a rewarding side hustle from home? Photo scanning and restoration could be your perfect opportunity to earn money while preserving memories. This guide covers everything: acquiring skills, setting up your business, and finding clients. First, master photo scanning, learning to digitize photos efficiently. Understand different scanner types like flatbed and dedicated photo scanners for optimal use. Acquire skills in repairing damaged photos using software like Adobe Photoshop. Learn to correct color, remove scratches, and restore faded images. Develop expertise in handling water damage, mold, and other severe degradation, bringing old memories back to life. Familiarize yourself with photo editing software such as Adobe Photoshop and Lightroom, understanding features like healing brushes and cloning tools. Stay updated with equipment and software. Engage with online communities and consider courses to enhance your skills. To set up your business, invest in a high-quality photo scanner for clear, detailed digital images. Designate a clean, dust-free workspace with good lighting. Organize your tools for easy access and ample space. Create a business plan, apply for local permits, and purchase business liability insurance to protect your venture. When pricing, consider scanning resolution, photo quantity, and restoration extent. Tiered pricing and bulk discounts are effective. Hourly rates for restoration can range from $30 to $65. Offer premium add-ons like custom digital albums or video to digital conversion. For marketing, create a professional website and maintain active social media profiles to showcase your services. Utilize platforms like Etsy and Fiverr to reach a broader audience, setting up listings for your services. Network with local photographers, event planners, and community groups. Join professional organizations for resources and support. Offer free sample scanning to attract customers and demonstrate quality. Provide discounts for first-time clients or bundle services. Develop an efficient organizational system for sorting and labeling physical photos using archival quality storage containers. Prepare photos by cleaning them to remove dust. Use high-resolution scanning to capture maximum detail. Restore images meticulously, addressing tears, scratches, color fading, and water damage with precision. Deliver digital copies via USB, external hard drive, or cloud storage. Offer printed photo books as an upsell. Educate customers on how to back up and organize their digital photos, explaining the benefits of different scanning resolutions. Beyond core services, consider additional income streams. Offer photo organizing, custom digital albums, or memory books. You can also create slideshows for events or manage family cloud storage for a monthly fee. By following this helpful and profitable guide, you can create a thriving photo scanning and restoration side hustle, preserving memories and providing valuable services. Are you searching for a profitable side hustle you can manage right from the comfort of your home? Imagine transforming physical documents into easily searchable digital files, a service small businesses desperately need. This is the world of document digitization and optical character recognition, a hidden gem in today's digital economy. Document digitization involves converting physical records, like invoices and old files, into searchable digital formats for small businesses. This service offers immense value, helping small offices save physical space, improve operational efficiency, and enhance data security. Acquiring these skills is more accessible than you might think, with numerous resources available at your fingertips. You can start with free tutorials on platforms like YouTube, offering practical, step-by-step guidance. For more in-depth knowledge, consider affordable online courses on platforms such as Udemy or Coursera. These courses often cover essential document management techniques and popular OCR software like Adobe Acrobat Pro and NanoNets. Finding your first clients can be straightforward, especially with the right approach and platforms. Freelance marketplaces like Upwork, Fiverr, and People Per Hour are excellent starting points to connect with businesses seeking digitization services. Additionally, proactive outreach to local small businesses such as law offices, accounting firms, and small clinics can yield great results. Many of these businesses may not be actively searching, but desperately need your services to streamline their operations. The earning potential for document digitization and OCR is scalable, allowing your income to grow as your skills and client base expand. This side hustle offers a flexible way to generate income from home with a relatively low initial investment. The demand for digital document solutions continues to rise, ensuring a steady market for these essential services. Start researching and learning today. Your journey into this profitable home-based venture begins now. Document digitization and OCR present an accessible and valuable skill set for anyone looking to start a profitable side hustle. With readily available learning resources and diverse platforms for client acquisition, it offers a clear path to entrepreneurship and financial independence. Embrace this high-paying opportunity to build a flexible, rewarding business from your home. Unlock a powerful new income stream by fine-tuning AI models for small businesses, a rapidly growing side hustle. This niche capitalizes on the increasing demand for tailored AI solutions, offering businesses customized performance. Fine-tuning adapts a pre-trained AI model with specific data, making it more efficient and accurate for particular tasks. Small businesses find this appealing as it allows them to leverage advanced AI capabilities without the high costs of large models. Customizing smaller models significantly lowers infrastructure costs, improves response times, and optimizes resource utilization. This approach offers a perfect middle ground, allowing businesses to customize and control their AI solutions. To begin, you'll need a foundational understanding of machine learning concepts, along with familiarity in specific use cases. Online resources offer numerous courses and tutorials on AI and machine learning, providing accessible pathways to acquire these skills. Hands-on experience with fine-tuning tools and frameworks is essential, covering data preparation, model selection, training, and evaluation. Data preparation involves cleaning and organizing data, while model selection requires choosing a suitable pre-trained model. Training adjusts the model's internal weights to bias it towards new data, and evaluation assesses its performance. Several platforms connect AI specialists with businesses seeking fine-tuning services, providing access to a wide range of projects. Tuning as a Service, or TOS, platforms offer managed services for fine-tuning, streamlining the entire process. AI fine-tuning platforms like Google AI Studio and FineTuneDB provide user-friendly interfaces for efficient model adjustment. Freelance marketplaces such as Upwork and Fiverr are excellent avenues to connect with businesses seeking AI expertise. The essential steps include selecting a pre-trained model, gathering domain-relevant data, and meticulously pre-processing that data. Next, fine-tune the model by feeding it pre-processed data, then evaluate its performance using relevant metrics. Once performance standards are met, deploy the model to a production environment and fine-tune hyperparameters if needed. Cost considerations for fine-tuning vary, with data acquisition and preparation accounting for 30 to 40% of the total expense. Computing infrastructure, including GPUs and cloud storage, typically makes up 15 to 25% of the cost. Expertise from AI specialists and ongoing optimization and maintenance, which can be 10 to 15% of the cost, are also crucial factors. Strategies to control costs include starting with transfer learning, which can reduce training expenses by 40 to 60%. Implementing proper MLOps practices reduces maintenance costs by 25 to 35%, while prioritizing data quality leads to more manageable datasets. Considering specialized partners and benchmarking against alternatives also helps manage expenses effectively. Utilizing low-rank adaptation, or LoRa, can dramatically trim costs, often bringing them down to between $500 and $3,000. By mastering these skills, understanding the costs, and leveraging available resources, you can tap into the growing demand for AI model fine-tuning. Build a successful, high-paying, and profitable side hustle from home, contributing to the future of tailored AI solutions for small businesses. The AI boom is transforming industries, creating unprecedented opportunities, and a unique side hustle is emerging for those looking to work from home. This lucrative opportunity involves dataset creation and cleaning, a critical need for small businesses leveraging artificial intelligence. But what exactly is dataset creation and cleaning for small business AI? It's about collecting, labeling, and refining data to train AI models effectively. Imagine an e-commerce business needing product images labeled for an AI recommendation system, or a local service provider requiring cleaned customer feedback for sentiment analysis. These tasks ensure AI models perform accurately and efficiently, making your contribution invaluable. To acquire the necessary skills, aspiring data workers can leverage online learning platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and edX. These platforms offer comprehensive courses in data annotation, data cleaning, and basic data science fundamentals. Additionally, numerous free resources are available through YouTube tutorials, open-source projects, and blogs from data science communities. Key skills include meticulous attention to detail, a solid understanding of various data types like text, image, and audio, and proficiency with data annotation tools. Once equipped with these skills, finding clients can be effectively done on freelance platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr. On Upwork, you can create a compelling profile highlighting your data skills and set competitive rates, ranging from $15 to $50 or more per hour. Fiverr allows you to offer specific gigs for dataset creation or cleaning services, attracting clients looking for specialized tasks. To truly stand out, it's crucial to build a strong portfolio with sample projects that demonstrate your capabilities. Obtaining relevant certifications and gathering positive client reviews will further enhance your credibility and attract more opportunities. Networking within online data science communities can also lead to direct client opportunities and valuable collaborations. This side hustle offers incredible flexibility, the potential for significant income, and a chance to contribute to the rapidly evolving field of artificial intelligence. The demand for high-quality datasets is only growing, making this an ideal time to embark on this journey. Start building your skills today, create a motivational and professional your profile, and unlock your potential in the exciting world of AI data work. Are you an aspiring entrepreneur or tech enthusiast looking for a lucrative side hustle in the booming AI industry? Today, we're diving into Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG, for knowledge bases, a powerful AI technique that can transform how businesses use information. RAG enhances large language models by integrating them with external knowledge sources, generating more accurate and contextually relevant responses. It works by first retrieving relevant information from databases, then augmenting the original prompt, and finally submitting it to an LLM for an improved, grounded response. The benefits are clear: improved accuracy, contextual awareness, reduced hallucinations, and access to up-to-date information, making AI responses more reliable. The demand for AI expertise is soaring, creating a significant shortage of skilled professionals. This makes RAG an incredibly valuable skill for a side hustle. To master RAG, you'll need skills in natural language processing, understanding large language models, and proficiency with vector databases like Weaviate or Pinecone. Python programming is also essential for implementing RAG pipelines and working with various libraries and frameworks. Online courses from platforms like Coursera, DeepLearning.ai, and Simplilearn offer comprehensive learning paths for building RAG systems. Additionally, tutorials from Single Store and LangChain documentation provide in-depth guides for practical application. Beyond RAG, consider Small-Biz AI model fine-tuning using domain-specific data. This customizes pre-trained models for enhanced accuracy and performance. Fine-tuning improves accuracy, allows for unique customization, and offers efficiency by leveraging existing cutting-edge models. Platforms like Google AI Studio, Vertex AI, and Replicate empower businesses to customize and deploy machine learning models seamlessly. Once skilled, freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are excellent places to find work, offering both short-term gigs and long-term projects. TopTal also serves as a marketplace for dedicated RAG developers, engineers, and consultants seeking more specialized opportunities. While challenges like data quality and integration complexity exist, the earning potential and flexibility of working from home are incredibly rewarding. This side hustle allows you to set your own hours and make a significant impact by helping businesses improve operations and gain a competitive edge. Embrace continuous learning, stay updated with AI advancements, and unlock your high-paying and profitable potential in this rapidly growing field. Welcome to Cipher-Cash. We have explored tech side hustles to boost your income. Discover photo scanning and restoration, transforming old memories into digital treasures. Digitize documents and use OCR to convert records into searchable text, streamlining information. Fine-tune AI models for businesses, creating custom solutions for efficiency. Engage in dataset creation and cleaning, providing high-quality data for AI development. Set up Retrieval-Augmented generation, or RAG, for search and information retrieval. These tech opportunities offer financial growth and personal development. If you found this video inspiring and helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more insights into tech-driven opportunities. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss our latest content. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.